beautiful people. I hope from the intro you saw that Universal Studios is an amazing place for families as well as adults. The goal of this video today is to see how many rides can we manage to do on a busy Sunday. And after every ride, we're gonna tell you some reviews, some of our opinions, tips and tricks, and what we learned so you can have the best trip ever. I will see you in the video.
Going great, and facial recognition is moving slow, but that's not my what? Hi.
It says the wait time is only 10 minutes, but we got in super early into the park, our first ride of the day. I'll let you know what I think so you know what to expect. Alright, the sun is shooting right into my eye. I can't see you, but I hope you can see me. We're exiting Fast and Furious. Honest, subjective feedback. The graphics and stuff feel a little outdated. It's still entertaining. What they do a good job with is giving you that feel of being immersed into the world of Fast and Furious and the parties, the Latin music and all that kind of stuff. The ride is okay, not too bad, especially for a short wait time. Again, graphics a little outdated, otherwise it's somewhat entertaining, and if you love Fast and Furious, it's for you.
Sorry about me, your vocal processor. I'm really sorry. 6 grams operation continue. Optimus, by all means, because the items the decolonized machines.
I want to see our friends.
And this long area will provide you with all the cover we can. The future of both our species.
Altogether, this is the 3rd time we're riding the Transformer ride in the last 10 years. And even though it's an older ride, it's still amazing. It's like a big 3D movie. And the cool thing is that it keeps going and going. Some rides are like 20, 30, 1 minute long, 20, 30 seconds, I mean. This one keeps going and going. It's pretty long story, so it makes it very entertaining. And it feels like you are inside the Transformer movie helping those robots, so it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, I cannot film the rides themselves. It says don't film after that point, but I will let you know what we think about it so you can make an informed decision.
First place feels so good. Shortcut time. Pardon me, come through everybody.
So, Race Through New York with Jimmy Fallon. It's a cute 4D movie. The whole thing moves around, but it's just a movie theater that moves, and it's okay if the line is not too long. If the line is long, maybe pick something else. Otherwise, it's good. So the Mummy ride is a true roller coaster inside in the dark. It's somewhat short, not super fast, there's no big drops. It's supposed to be somewhat like mystifying and scary. Just a roller coaster. It goes forward, goes back, they spritz you with water a little bit. A cute surprise in the middle of the roller coaster. Kind of fun.
Come on, that's all. Time's a waste. You're flying your baggage on carousel B.
so bright, hard to look at the camera, but the Man in Black ride, it drives slow, spins you a little bit, gives you a fake gun to shoot at plastic puppet fake aliens. I guess the only redeeming quality is that there's single rider lanes, which makes it faster if you don't mind being spread apart from your the rest of your team. Otherwise,
Enjoy your day at Universal Studios.
Please remain seated. Comes from the stop.
Like this one. Getting paid for this.
Hey, you break it, you want it?
the Simpsons Ride. Can you see that I'm smiling? It was probably the first time I can actually say that. A funny ride. The writing was great because you get to watch cartoons. Even standing in line is funny and entertaining. Doesn't feel like long, and it's a virtual ride. Slightly motion sickness because it just keeps going everywhere. But I truly enjoyed it, and again, it was funny. The sun is so bright, but we just finished E.T., the ride, and you know what? You can tell that it's an old ride. And you ride on a bicycle through the movie, and look at the plastic puppies, and that's about it.
Must get down to the lunch. It starts today. What a crowd!
She's not convincing.
Not that the subject isn't fascinating. Personally, I recommend the Field of Battle's Hogwarts history.
I certainly don't miss those awful benches. So comfortable.
Preposterous nonsense.
Oh, is it, Grandad? Remind me to show you my phosphorescent stump sometime. And watch this.
Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. I mean, classic. You gotta do it. You gotta see it. There's no questions asked. Go do it. It's half roller coaster, half 3D, 4D, 5D, 10D experience. Just do it. Skull Island, like the King Kong ride, was pretty fun. It's like a 3D movie experience. They have movies on both sides, and there's a storyline happening. Very similar to Fast and Furious, but I'm not sure, maybe it's just newer, but it was way more implemented. Also, it has single rider lanes, which make you go through faster. Plus, a single rider usually sits on the outside of the vehicle, which is good because you're closer to the screen. So if you can sit on either side of the vehicle, left or right, but not in the center, just to see more, you know? also the Spiderman ride was way better than expected, because when you stand in line it looks kind of lame and old and outdated, but the ride itself was actually very cool, entertaining, and he wasn't fighting just one villain, he was fighting all of them, and the scenario and even the storyline was pretty cool, so I thought it was worth it. The Hulk ride is a true roller coaster. First of all, the line is not boring because there's screens and a story happening in the background and they talk, but it's a true roller coaster with drops and acceleration and loops and all kinds of stuff. I just wish it would be a little longer. Otherwise, try to get in early. It has a one rider line, which means that you have the potential to get in earlier, as well as you have to leave all the phones and keys and wallets behind. They will actually check literally with the metal detector, so don't try to get through because you won't. Pockets have to be empty, otherwise cool roller coaster.
Good buddy.